If your Graco paint sprayer isn't priming, won't build pressure, or sounds like it's running but nothing's coming out, I may have a fix for you. In this video, I'll show you how to fix one of the most common and annoying issues with Graco paint sprayers, a stuck or clogged inlet ball valve. Inside most airless sprayers, there's a stainless steel ball that seals and unseals to move paint through the pump. Over time, corrosion, dried paint, or debris can cause the ball to get stuck. If you don't thoroughly clean your paint sprayer after each use and use pump armor, you will inevitably encounter this problem. Most of these sprayers come with a bottle of pump armor. Hopefully, you still have yours. If not, check the link in my description on where to get it. It's not only the best tool to unstick the ball, but you will also need it to prevent this from happening again in the future. You can try gently tapping the inlet housing with a soft mallet or a screwdriver, or running the machine several times to use the vibration to shake the ball loose. But more than likely, you'll probably need to move it manually. All you need to do is remove the inlet tube and press the pump armor nozzle into the inlet valve, which should free the ball. If you don't have this nozzle, you could attempt to use a similar sized object, but know this could result in permanent damage to your inlet valve, so attempt at your own risk. To prevent future clogs, check out my video on how to use pump armor. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful and I hope it was concise.